Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 73, lecture number 12. Example number 13, simplify of the following. First, minus 15 multiplied by 8, then plus minus 15 multiplied by minus 6. First example done for you. For example, minus 15 multiplied by, you can be do these questions with the two method. For example, first minus 15 multiplied by 8 plus then minus 15 multiplied by 6. If we multiply minus 15 multiplied by 8, we got the answer minus 120. Then minus minus multiply to each other, minus 15 and minus 6 multiply to each other, we got the answer plus 19. Then we both values plus and subtract from minus 120 and plus 19, we got the answer minus 30. Similarly, example 2 done for you. First we multiply 20 multiplied by minus 13, then after minus 10 multiplied by minus 13. We got the answer minus 260 and 130 plus. Then we subtract both values. Minus 260 subtract from the 130, we got the answer minus 390. And example number 14. Example number 14, fill in the blanks with the suitable numbers to make the statement correct. First we put 3, then second में put हमने किया है -4. ये मैंने solution इसका कर डाला. Okay. True false है, state the whether the following are true or false. First true, second true, third false, fourth true, fifth true, 6 false, 7 false, 8 false, 9 false and 10 false. Simplify the following. Question number 2, simplify exercise 5b. Question number 2, simplify of the following. Minus 29 bracket plus minus 11 plus 40. Minus 20 or brackets open, minus 29 then minus 11 plus 40. Minus 29 and minus 11 is equal to minus 40, then add the plus 40, we got the answer 0. Part 2, minus 231 plus 51 plus minus 20. Open the brackets, the minus 231 plus 51 minus 20, then we add the minus value first. Minus 231 minus 20, we got the answer minus 251. After then add the plus 51, we got the answer minus 200.